IRS Form 2106 is the Employee Business Expenses Form. Before the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017, most employees could deduct unreimbursed business expenses on Schedule A as miscellaneous itemized deductions. After 2017 and through 2025, this deduction is suspended for most employees. However, Form 2106 is still used by Armed Forces reservists, qualified performing artists, fee-basis state and local government officials, and employees with impairment-related work expenses. The top section of Form 2106 asks for your name, occupation, social security number, and your employer's name. You also indicate whether any portion of your expenses were reimbursed under an accountable plan. Under an accountable plan, your employer reimburses only substantiated expenses and requires you to return any excess. Amounts reimbursed under an accountable plan are not included in your wages and cannot be deducted again on your return. Part 1 of Form 2106 calculates vehicle expenses if you use your car for work. You can use either the standard mileage rate or actual vehicle expenses. Enter the total business miles, commuting miles, and other miles for the year. If using actual expenses, you allocate costs such as gas, insurance, repairs, and depreciation between business and personal use. Part 2 covers other business expenses including travel, meals at 50%, and supplies. The total unreimbursed expenses flow to Schedule 1 for qualifying employees. If you qualify to claim employee business expenses, enter the amount from Form 2106 on Schedule 1 as an adjustment to income for performing artists and reservists, or as an itemized deduction for fee-basis officials and impairment-related expenses. Keep receipts, mileage logs, and records documenting the business purpose of each expense. The IRS requires contemporaneous records for travel, meals, and vehicle expenses. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.